Hello everyone, take a section of the hair from the left side, add a rubber band to it and now roll the hair in on itself through this section. Do the same out of the right side section as well. After you are done with both the sides, join them both together in the middle. Now tie a rubber band to it. Now divide it into two portions, add a rubber band in the middle of both of these portions, roll the hair in on itself through these sections. Now once you are done with this, pull it through the top section that is present. That is the lower section of the top section. Now take a section of the hair from the left side, divide it into three parts and then begin to make a braid out of it. Once you are done with this braid, you may tie it up. Loosen the sides of the braid as you progress with it. And do this on either side. Now after this, make sure that the braid is otherwise firmly put. Next, take a section of the hair from the right side, make a braid out of it and do the same instructions where you loosen the sides using your fingers. Join the two braids together at the back. Add a decorative pin on top of this. Next, take a section of the hair from either side of the scalp and then tie it up at the back. Take two more sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, however, roll it through the top section that is present. Now take a section of the hair from the left side and then begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, take two small sections from either side, make them interchange in the middle and join the other side respectively. Do the same out of the right side. Join it together and tie a rubber band to it. Add decorative clips on top of this. Next, we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, add another rubber band in the middle of it as well. Roll the hair in on itself through the section. Take a section of the hair from the left side, pull it through the middle. Take a section of the hair from the right side as well, and then pull it through this middle section. Now take a section of the hair from one of the left sides, begin to make a braid out of it. As you progress with making a braid out of it, include more and more sections of the hair from the middle section into this braid. This is what it should look like. Do this until all of the middle sections are done with. Now do the same on the right hand side as well, using the remainder of the right hand side portions. Pin it up in place. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side, tie a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself with this section. Now join the two sides together as such. Divide it into two portions, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these two portions and roll the hair in on itself through these middle portions. Now pull both these sections through the top sections available. Begin to make a fishtail braid out of the hair. That is, divide the hair into two parts, take sections from either side and then make them interchange in the middle. Tie a rubber band once you reach the bottom and then add a decorative clip on top of this. Next, take a section of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Once again, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Pull the second section through the first section as such. Now, begin to make a fishtail braid, starting by taking a left-hand side section of the hair. As you are making the braid, once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it. Do the same out of the right-hand side and join the two together at the back. Tie a rubber band to it and then add these decorative clips to it. Next, take the top section of the hair and then begin to make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. This will be a French braid. Make sure that this braid is very firmly put and include more and more sections of the hair as you progress. Do not leave any gap while including the hair as such. Once you reach the midpoint, you may tie a rubber band to it, after which you may add some decorative clips to it as such. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side and then begin to make a braid out of it. Make this into a fishtail braid. That is, divide the hair into two parts and then take small sections from either side, make them interchange in the middle and join the respective side. Once you have done this, you may tie a rubber band at the bottom of it. Now take a section of the hair from the right side as well. After you are done with both the braids, take some decorative clips and then add them on either side respectively. This is the final look. Thank you for watching.